Now, inshallah Razim, we will go on the second part, which is to shroud mayyat ko kafan pahunchana, kafan pehnana. Now, the kafan is of three types, but I won't be mentioning three types, I'll be just mentioning two, to make it simple and so that you can understand it better. One is, kafan which is absolute necessity, कि आपको इतना मिनिमम देना ही है, and another kafan is which is sunnat. So one which is necessary that you have to give, this is the minimum requirement, that is to cover body with one sheet. कि एक कोई कपड़े का टुकड़ा हो, चादर हो, उसमें बॉडी को लपेट देना, that is enough. लेकिन सुन्नत जो कफन है, और the kafan which is as per the sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, especially for men, there are three pieces. कितने pieces हैं? How many? Everyone, how many? Three. First is called lifafa. Second is called izar or tehban. And third is called kameez. Okay? So first is called what? Everyone. First is called what? Lifafa. Second is called izar or tehban. Okay? Izar or tehban. So when I say izar or tehban, yani izar ya tehban bolte. We'll keep one word. What do you want? Izar or tehban? Izar. Izar rakhte hain, okay? So first is lifafa, second is izar, and third is kameez. Third is kameez. So again, first is lifafa, second is, third is kameez. So now inshallah we will go through what is what. कि कमीज होती है तो वो क्या होती है, लिफाफा होता है तो क्या होता है, और इजार होती है तो क्या होती है. So first inshallah we will go through lifafa. Now lifafa is the piece of kafan which you see on body. सबसे ऊपर वाला जो कपड़ा होता है ना, one of the sheets which is on top is called lifafa. And there is no need, sometimes people they ask what should be the length. Length can't be same for everyone. I am taller, someone is short. तो जो छोटा आदमी होगा उसका कफन छोटा होगा, जो आदमी लंबा होगा उसका कफन लंबा होगा, और बॉडी के हिसाब से कफन की साइजेस होती हैं. And depending upon, you just do it, thinking, you ask or anyone who is cutting kafan, he will make kafan in a way that if he knows the person, he'll know, okay, he is of that height, so this should be enough. So lifafa, which is the very top part which comes, सबसे ऊपर जो चादर आती है, उसका size जो होता है, it should be little bit more than the body. Okay, so it should be little bit more towards the head side, and it should be little bit more towards the feet. And the reason being, because this is last sheet, once you wrap it completely, then you need to have something on both sides to hold. अब ये तो लंबान हो गई ना, this is the length, how wide kafan should be. कफन की चौड़ाई कितनी होनी चाहिए. कभी कभी लोग होता है कि घर से कफन आता है, people they send, this kafan is from home. But when we look at the size, length is fine. But when it comes to width, it's not that wide. So how wide kafan should be? It should be that wide that if it's wrapped, it should go around like this. इतना चौड़ा तो हो कम से कम कि अगर इसको हम बॉडी पे रैप करने जाएं तो एटलीस्ट एक लेयर थोड़ा सा दूसरे लेयर पर आ जाए. दिस इज क्वाइट वाइड, बट इवन इफ इज दैट नॉट वाइड, इतना तो हो, लेकिन इतना तो हो कि ओवरलैप हो जाए. इट शुड ओवरलैप वन ओवर अनदर. सो दिस इज lifafa. This is lifafa which we see the very first cloth from outside. बाहर से सबसे पहले जो शीट नजर आती है वो क्या होती है? लिफाफा. And this should be bigger than the body. Now second cloth or the second piece of kafan is called izar. What do you think about izar? What it is? Just about you thinking. izar आप बोल रहे तो आप क्या सोचते हैं? क्या होगा ये? क्या होगा? Trousers. Tehban. What is tehban? Lungi. अब ये होता है, because names they resemble to clothes what we wear in our daily life. तो काफी जगहों पर ये हुआ है. अभी भी एक जगह पर, I won't be mentioning name, I was new. First time I went to, help with ghusl and kafan and everything. So I saw kafan was ready. I said, can I check? So when I checked, so izar was cut, or the tehban was cut the way we wear lungi in this dunya. कि दुनिया में से लुंगी पहनते हैं ना, वैसे वो लुंगी कटी हुई. But in reality it's not like that. The size of izar should be from head till toe. Okay, इसकी ये साइज होनी चाहिए. So we will. Okay, so the izar is not like trouser. Izar is not like tehban or lungi, although we call it izar, but izar should cover from head till toe. Is this clear? So this is second piece of kafan. This is second. Now which one is third? Which one is remaining? We remember lifafa, we remember the izar. Third one is kameez. Now kameez, what is kameez in this dunya? Okay, kurta hum jo pehnte hain. Not, this is jubba. Kameez is normally halfway long. So this is more or less same, but we don't have sleeves or anything in kafan. So in this situation, what we do is the length of kameez is from shoulder and it will go just below the knees. Okay? कांधे से शुरू होती है कमीज और थोड़ा सा घुटनों के नीचे. ये कमीज का लेंथ होता है, लेकिन वी डू इट डबल. हम इसको डबल करते हैं. Lifafa, we have got izar and we have got kameez. Now another thing what you will need for kafan is 3 bands or 3 pieces of cloth to tie a knot. Okay? So inshallah. It's still got, satar covered. So what you do is, when you're moving body in, you take that portion of kameez which you cut and then you cover the front portion like this. एक मर्तबा ये portion cover हो गया, then you take off the cloth which was covering the satar. Okay? ये हो गया एक मर्तबा, then you put atar or fragrance. In the books it's been mentioned, it is good to put fragrance in those parts which touch in sajda, which touch ground when we are in sajda. कि सजदे में जो जो आज़ा जमीन पर लगते हैं उन पर खुशबू लगाएं. Now what are those parts? Forehead, nose, knees and feet. तो यहां पर हो गया, यहां पे खुशबू लगाना, हाथों पे खुशबू लगाना, पेशानी पे खुशबू लगाना, नाक पर खुशबू लगाना. Now this fragrance can be anything. Either you can put camphor, either you can put atar. Some masjids, they have some powder which has got fragrance in it. So they, make paste and they put that. So koi bhi cheez ho, as long as it is khushbu, some fragrance, then you should put that. Ab ek martaba ye ho gaya, so then we don't wrap everything together. No. What we do is, first we take the izar. We take the izar. Now we need to turn or the wrap. The first side is going to be the left. First will be the left. And then you will overlap right on it. Okay? So जब भी हम कफन को रैप करेंगे, it should be in a way that right should be on the top of left. That should be the way, or that should be the order. इससे चेहरा, ये इजार से चेहरा भी बंद होना चाहिए. Okay? But Sufyan is there, inshallah I won't cover his face. लेकिन जब हम इसको लपेटते हैं इजार को, so that will cover face as well. Now after that, what is this sheet called? Lifafa. So then you will wrap lifafa left first and then right. Okay, any extra you just wrap it like this. And then you tie these knots. Now again, these knots, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये, these knots are just so that this coffin doesn't fly or doesn't, goes away. सिर्फ इसीलिए knots बांधी जाती है. Otherwise, ऐसा नहीं कि if someone misses this knot, he's done something wrong. तो ये तरीका है कफन देने का, और चेहरा हम खुला रख सकते हैं, घर वाले देख लें, and then you can wrap it, and this is how we all are going to go. We can wear designer clothes, we can take pride in what we wear, but whether you wear designer or someone wears jubba like me or someone wears any type of clothes, everyone, if you pray kalama, this is how you will go in your qabr. इस तरह से हर कोई. और कफनाने के ताल्लुक से हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने यही फरमाया कि अपने मुर्दों को अच्छे कफन में दफनाओ. ओके, अगेन इट शुडंट बी समथिंग, बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत फजूल खर्ची भी ना हो, बट इट शुड बी गुड कफन, कि अच्छा कफन हो, उसमें दफनाना चाहिए. एंड प्रेफरेबली इट शुड बी वाइट, कि सफेद कफन में ही दफनाना चाहिए. इज दिस क्लियर विद एवरीवन? चलो, माशाअल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाह.